Hello and welcome back to all of you, my gardening pals. In today's video, I am going to show you an excellent way how to replace your busted and disgusted watering jugs. So, I have been using this watering jug for maybe a little over 3 years, and yes, it did last for a long time for a $5 jug, of course. But today I am going to show you an excellent way, as I stated before, how to replace this jug, and it's going to be for free. Now look, I can hardly water my plants without the water running over to the side, which I can still get a few uses out of it, but really and truly, I have something greater in mind, and I'm going to be sharing it with you right now. All right, let me give you one more look of the jug. So it's busted here, busted here. It have this nozzle right here that I can take off. And for those of you who likes the fancy stuff, you can get one of this at probably Walmart, Home Depot, Family Dollar, and other stores that sell plants, of course. But I'm going to show you a way to save some money. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so this is going to be quick and simple. You are going to need a knife, some Gorilla Glue, Arizona water bottle, and if you would like, you can also reuse the sprout from your old water bottle. Now what I am going to do, oh yes, and you do need a marker. So I'm going to use a marker to mark a hole on this part right here. I'm going to set it this way, so I'm going to put a hole on the top of it. It's not even centered, and I love when my things is centered. So all right, it doesn't really matter, or is it? No, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use it anyways. All right, so after you have your hole right there, you're going to cut it out, and be very careful when you're using the knives. I could actually use my my soldering gun, but I don't feel like it right now. I just feel like I want to put some work in this thing. Okay, so I'm going to cut this all, cut it out. It's not easy. I hope this hole is not too big too. All right, so now the hole is there. I am going to take this and I'm going to put it in here like this. Now I am going to be using the Gorilla Glue, because the Gorilla Glue works best with water. Whenever it comes in contact with water, it solidifies and can prevent leak. All right, so I think I need to, well, this area is probably wet already, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the Gorilla Glue around it. So that means I am not going to be taking this off to use it on that old jug. It is going to stay right here on this new jug that I am making. Okay, so there we go. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I need to get a spray bottle to spray a little bit of water around. I need to spray some water around this area right here, so it can hold properly whenever it is being dried. So let me put it in the chair right here. So I cannot find my regular water bottle, so I'm going to be using some of my rosemary water that I have in my refrigerator for my hair, and I am going to spray, just mist around it. That water can come in contact with the Gorilla Glue, and we are going to wait for it to dry, and whenever it dries I will come back and show it to you. So my peeps, it's getting late and I almost forget about my little project. But anyways, it is now dry and I'm going to be cleaning off this area. So let me demonstrate to you now and show you exactly how this new jug is going to work. So as you can see, I added this sprout right here, okay? Now in order for me to full water in this bottle, I have to take off the cover the same way I would have taken it off without the sprout on it, right? Let us get some water in here now, because I'm not even sure if the inside section in here is totally sealed, because I didn't put any of the Gorilla Glue down in this section here. But let's get some water in there and see exactly how it is going to work. Inside of the barrel is so dark. Let me get some from the wheelbarrow. Alright, this is enough, and the banana leaf make it look like some medicine or something, more like fertilizer. Alright, so let's get this cover on. Okay. Alright, so this area is always drying out really, really fast. Let me try the water jug. Yes, siree. Yes, the watering jug is working fine. You know, I think I set this sprout the wrong way. I should probably let this part turn down like that. Oh my Lord. So if y'all are going to try this, please make sure that you set the sprout in a way that that you're gonna want it to stay as long as you have this jug. And also, if you do not have a nozzle like this, you can just punch some holes in the cork or the cover for the water to come out. And you can also take this off and just pour the water like this. That is it. It is getting late now, my family. So if this is your first time here, I am the Glades Got a Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. My number one priority on this channel is for us to save as much as we can, as we grow as much as we can. And I also love to salvage and repurpose things. So if you're enjoying this content any at all, please go ahead, share it with someone so they too can learn how to salvage, repurpose, and grow a thriving garden. Can hardly see my tomato, no matter where they are in the world. I can hardly see anything, oh. It is too dark, oh. Alright, folks, so thanks a lot for all of my returning subscribers, and for my newest subscribers. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. So guess what now, folks? It is now night time. So I will see you. Ta-ta.